Morning all. So today we are going to have the second experiment of the lab, implementation of lab experiment 1. In the first experiment, in the first lab we have already done the basics of logic gates or realization of the basic gates. Today we are going to implement the actual lab experiment according to your syllabus. Okay. The first experiment is, the statement goes as follows: in a battery powered computer, the diskette drive motor 1 should be on if and only if there is a diskette in the drive. The diskette door is closed, diskette drive motor 2 is not on, the battery low signal is not present, and the computer has started read or the write operation. And this you are supposed to design using the basic gates only. Fine. Then, so the components required to conduct this experiment is the digital trainer kit, then the ICs 7432, that is OR gate, 7408 AND gate, and 7404 NOT gate, and as usual the patch cords. To design the experiment, we have to get the expression, that is the Boolean expression. To get the Boolean expression, we should have input variables and the output variables. So according to the experiment as shown here, there are 5 different or the 5 conditions to be satisfied, rather 6 conditions to be satisfied. For every condition we need a variable. So that variable is been listed here. There is a diskette in the drive, let us indicate that as A. The diskette drive is open, let us indicate by B. The diskette drive motor 2 is on, that is C. Battery low signal is present, D. Computer has started the read operation by R. Computer has started the write operation, let us indicate by W. So depending on the conditions here, we will get the output expression as Y is equal to A, B complement. Why B complement? Because the diskette door should be closed, but we have taken open to be B. Since it is to be closed, it is a complement. Similarly, C, diskette drive motor 2 is on, but here according to the condition it should be not on. So it is the complement of C. Similarly, battery low signal is present. So there it is D bar, should not be present, so it is D bar. And computer read operation should be started or the write operation should be started, so read or write. So the output expression will become A, B complement, C complement, D complement, ending with R or with W. So the truth table will go as shown in the presentation. Output should be high only when A is 1, read is 1, output should be 1, or A is 1 and W is 1, that is write should be 1, the output should be 1. For the remaining input of A, B, C, D, for all the variables, it should be low, the output should be low. So accordingly, if we design the circuit, this is the circuit that we get. Okay, this is the circuit we are supposed to rig up in the digital trainer kit. So the next step, we will go to rig up the circuit, follow the instructions carefully. Fine, done. Okay, so the next step is the designing of the circuit or rigging up the circuit on the kit. So this is the new version of the kit, what we had taken for the last lab, that was the old version, this is the new version. In the new version, small change is there or small modification is there. The modification there is, this slot is of 20 pins rather than 14 pin, what we had in the last kit. In this kit it is 20 pin. The only thing we have to do here is, instead of neglecting the last row, we are supposed to neglect or leave these pins, these 3 rows of pins to be empty, or keep this empty. We are supposed to use only 14 pin. So go with the 7, then this goes with 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So remove the last 3, that is 6 pins as it is. No, don't go to use these sockets or these pins. So let us start with the rigging up of the circuit. So circuit diagram is already given. So A input and B input. B input goes through the NOT gate to AND gate. So let us rig up that. First input is A, okay, goes to, before that we are supposed to put the IC pins or IC into the socket. So let us put one by one into the socket. So this we already done, so follow it carefully. So you have the NOT gate, I am putting into this socket, into this slot. 7408 is there. There is an AND gate, I am putting it here. And the OR gate, I am making the connection over here. Okay. Why I have left these 2 slots here is just to have a clear picture of how to make the connections. I have just used this alternate slots for you to connect with the ICs. Okay. So, first input is A, that A goes to AND gate. So, I am connecting to the AND gate. So, connect its VCC, connect its ground. Ground is 7th pin. Please remember, we are neglecting these 6 pins, these list slots as it is. We are not making any connection. Okay. Second input, that is B, goes through the NOT gate. So, second input is B. Take it through the NOT gate. So, NOT gate is connected over here. Output of this input is B, output is B bar. Connect it to the AND gate. Okay, that is 7408. Okay, for NOT gate, connect VCC and connect ground. Fine. Once again, I will repeat. This is A connecting to one input of the AND gate. The second input goes through the NOT gate. So, input B goes to the NOT gate. Okay. Output of B, that is B bar, goes to the AND gate input. Okay. Output of this AND gate, okay, keep it as it is. Okay, because for the second AND gate, okay, that is AND gate 3, you have to pass through the NOT gate, that is C. That is C input goes to one more NOT gate. So, I am using one more gate of 7404. So, 1 input 2 output is one gate, 3 input 4 output is another gate. So, I am using the second gate of the same IC. So, take the output of this output goes to the second AND gate. Output of the first AND gate should be the input for the second AND gate. That goes with one input. Second input is the output of the NOT gate. So, that goes to second AND gate. Got the things clear? Output of the first AND gate goes to input of the second AND gate. Second AND gate is 4, 5 input, 6 output. So, 4 is the output of one AND gate and output of the NOT gate will be input for the second AND gate, that is C bar. C I have taken here, so it is C bar. Output of this second AND gate, leave it as it is. Okay. Coming to the D input. D input is taken. D also goes through the NOT gate. So, take one more NOT gate for the same IC. Output of the NOT gate is D bar. So, you have the D bar. Output of second AND gate is there. Output of D is there. Pass it through third AND gate. Okay. Third AND gate starts from 19, that is your pin number 13, 12, and this will be the output. So, first input goes to this, that is output of the second AND gate, and output of the NOT gate give as an input for the third AND gate. Okay. Output of this, leave it as it is. Fine. So, third AND gate is fine. For the fourth AND gate, you should get the output of the OR gate, that is read and write. So, read and write I am taking R. R is here. Pass it through the OR gate. So, that becomes one input for the OR gate, that is R. Second input is W. Take it for one more input. Okay. Then connect VCC and ground for the OR gate. Ground is here. Output of this OR gate, that is R plus W, will be the input for the last AND gate. This is one input. Second input will be output of the third AND gate. So, these two input give as an input for the last AND gate. Output of this will be the final output. Connect it to the output pin. This is all with the circuit being rigged up. Now, we are supposed to check for the input and what is the output that you are supposed to get. According to the truth table, A should be high, okay, B is 0, A is high, B is 0, C is 0, D is 0, okay, R is 1 and W is 0.
Done.
Okay. Let us verify the truth table now. This is A, B, C, D, R and W, that is read and write. So, according to the truth table, A should be high, B, C, D should be low, R should be high. So, you will get the output high. So, we got the first row being satisfied. Similarly, second row, A is high, B, C, D is low, R is low, W is high. So, you will get the output high. For any other combination of input, the output should be low. For example, A is low, remaining will be some bits you can make it high, or B should be high, or C should be high. Read, if it is kept high, then also output is what? Low. Similarly, R is high. Okay, if A is 0 and right is 0, then also the output will be low. So, for any combination, if you try the input, output will be always low. Hence, the truth table is satisfied. Your circuit is rigged up, that is working properly.